What's up out there? Have not done a video of these guys in a while. Thought I would. Here they are. Purebred Amphilophus Citrinellus, Lake Nicaragua midas cichlids, living in a 210-gallon tank. This is the dad, Big Cheddar. And these are 3 of his male offspring right here. They're catching up in size. They're much thinner when I first put them in, and now they're getting the characteristic purebred Amphilophus midas shape to them. Nice and stocky. They're living in a 210-gallon. So basically, I got plenty of offspring from this guy here, bred with a Lake Nicaragua female, which, by the way, this male comes from Ken Davis. The female came from the now closed down Tangled Up in Cichlids. She is a Lake Nicaragua orange female, and as this one, as you can see, he is a creamsicle colored male. I put all males in here so that hopefully what has happened is a pecking order has been established. No pairing off with a female where you would get the extreme aggression from a pair. Pretty much with the room I have in here, there's a status quo. Big Cheddar doesn't get bothered by any of his sons. This one here is second in command. And these 2 here battle each other for second place, third place among all the fish here. You could see that the fish that are the most dominant have not a mark on them. These 2 got some splits on their fins. As long as I keep things clean in here, they heal pretty quickly. You see these 2 trying to spar off. And that's what they do. They do it more displaying than actual fighting. And see what happens when a fight does emerge. Then another one joins in and it kind of breaks it all up. I don't run the heater on this tank just to keep the aggression down. And as cichlid expert Ken Davis says, he keeps his tanks in the lower temperature range. You can see that there is some dominance going on, or attempts of dominance. They got slight nuchal humps, or fair medium-sized nuchal humps. And it's like if one develops them, then all of them develop it. Like a week or 2 ago, they didn't have them. They come and go. But anyway, just a quick update. Any questions, comments, feedback, put them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Take care.